This yellow wire is for the sensor, just connect it here. The sensor connects right here. This part is for adjusting the height of the sensor bracket. Loosen it here and you can raise or lower it. This particular part is used for adjusting the width of the material. Loosen this screw just a little bit, then carefully make your adjustment, and this part will fit in. You can decide for yourself how wide you want it. After adjusting the material width, lock this in place. If you need to adjust the inner diameter of the material, loosen this screw. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8 screws. Loosen these 8 screws and you can adjust the outer diameter. For the inner diameter of the material, just adjust this part. Once you've made the adjustments, just fit the material in. Now let me first test the forward rotation. Move aside, move aside. Alright, it's rotating, it's rotating. This is the reverse rotation. Everything's normal. Okay, this is for adjusting the speed. I've set it very slow even though it's very slow. Alright, let me speed it up a bit. Okay. Alright. When feeding the material comes in from here. If it touches the sensor frame, it will stop. That's for when you're feeding the material. If you're collecting material, just move this rod over here, and when it touches the lower rod, it will also stop. That's for collecting material. For feeding material, lower the sensor frame. For collecting material, raise the sensor frame. Everything else is the same. Now I'll use this iron rod as an example for feeding material. When the iron reaches here, it will stop. As soon as it touches, it stops. Just like with the actual material. Let's do it again. Stop it for me. Right? And then when the material leaves, it will feed again. This is the sensing function, the yellow wire here.